Welcome, and thanks for tuning in to help us recognize the fellowship recipients for the 2021 academic year. My name is Dana Weinstein, and I'm Associate Dean of Graduate Education in the College of Engineering here at Purdue. Graduate students are at the heart of the success of our university, driving forward the research enterprise, innovation, teaching, and entrepreneurship. As faculty, we are truly privileged to get to work with so many bright minds, whether in the lab or in the class, in person or virtually. And the exceptional, talented individuals we're recognizing today have worked hard to earn this honor. I'm looking forward to all that they're going to accomplish in their respective graduate programs here at Purdue. Across the college, we have 33 external recipients, including NSF, NDSCG, DOE, NASA, and Fulbright Fellowships, amongst others. We also have 87 Purdue-granted fellowships, as well as 6 from the College of Engineering. So please join me in congratulating all of our fellowship recipients this year.